Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing a controlled lab and strict safety protocols. Make sure power, grounding, and emergency cutoffs are in place. Next, procure critical hardware: superconducting coils, cryogenics, ultra-stable clocks, and a vacuum chamber to isolate systems. While assembling, calibrate sensors and synchronize timing references to a stable standard so you can measure any anomalies. Once done, wire the control computer and verify the control software boots. You want repeatable, instrumented conditions before attempting any energy inputs or field generation. You now build the field apparatus. Arrange ring and toroidal coils to concentrate stress and shape gradients in a predictable pattern. Cool to superconducting temperatures and confirm persistent currents. Monitor resistance and magnetic profiles continually. Then apply incremental energy pulses, starting at safe low power levels while time-stamped instruments record clocks, interferometers, and phase sensors. Make sure to log environmental variables and run control trials without fields for baseline comparison. As you escalate, analyze data for tiny timing deviations. You perform a full integrated run only after all subsystems pass validation, with redundant telemetry and automated shutdowns enabled. During the run, watch for timing drifts, non-physical phase shifts, or uncontrolled energy feedback. If anything abnormal appears, trigger emergency stop immediately. If results are inconsistent, isolate each subsystem and rerun the last known good configuration to locate the fault. Make sure to document every parameter, share data with vetted peers, and repeat experiments until effects are replicated and explained before drawing conclusions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.